Most important meal of the day. Immediately after I did my backflip, it started raining. Didn't have to do 2 backflips in the rain. Oh snap. Here, bacon is the cheapest thing. One time, someone came in here and tried to get breakfast, and everything was there, but all the bacon was gone. I haven't actually been inside of an Apple store and had some spare time, so here I am. On days where I have just like editing to do, I do wonder, like I seriously wonder, what am I gonna be talking about or filming for the vlog on this day? It's editing. I should get a proper desk and chair. All right, well, if you ever wondered what an editing session looks like, this is that.
2 hours later.
That's the editing process. Plumbing. Yeah, I gotta fix this thing. All right, so little known fact, one of the companies that I ran after I finished like traveling all over the country was a plumbing company. Yeah, I think I broke it. Problem solved. I need a new one of these. At the moment, I'm headed over to one of the minimalists, like the minimalist.org local meetups. So I think it's in here. Panera. Alright, so we just finished up at the minimalism meeting in Columbus. Got to connect with people like in real life, not just online, so that's always fun. And yeah, thank you to these amazing people. We're gonna meet next month, right? Yeah. Yes.
17th.
Well, was thinking of giving a quick recap, but you know, I think we're done.